Today we're drawing everyone's favorite Roger Rabbit. Let's start with a circle and cross that in the middle. Then you're going to have this upside down triangle or sort of diamond. You're going to curve that up top. Then you're going to have these two little lines that come off of that. Next thing you're going to do is draw your smile and then his tooth. This tooth is kind of curved when it comes down to the bottom. We have this long line coming all the way down and going to the middle of the tooth and then going up, connecting to that smile we started. This little mountain area, all tongues are the same when dealing with these cartoon characters, and we'll fill that in with black real quick. Curve this down at the bottom. This is where it's going to be a little tricky, coming up, down, kind of coming out and up as you go up and around. And doing the same sort of thing on the other side. I kind of just cut in, and that shows his fur. Next thing you're going to do is draw this curve coming up. This is going to be his right eye, and then these two little lines up top. Same with his other side, and then come down. Kind of like ovals there, but overlapping. And then we can call these Pac-Man for his eyes, kind of like what we did with Mickey, curve and then cutting in. And you can go ahead and fill that in dark if you'd like. Now just getting back to it here. We're going to go up and over for his head and then put in his eyebrows and curve it up top here. Just these little like forehead up here. Another little tricky part coming up and over and curving as we do this cutting in. You can kind of make this however you want. It's kind of thin at the bottom here, then a little line. This next part coming up and out, two lines very close together, leaving a space, and then going up, curving this as well, cutting in. Everything's cutting in with Roger for his ears. But if you can draw two lines close to each other, that's how you're going to do this part. Curving down, cutting in as well, and then going up, sort of like we did with the other side as well. Last thing you're going to do is draw these lines coming off and curving, just the smile lines, or like T's, call them T's. And then you're going to draw 3 of these on each side for his whiskers. And that's how you draw Roger Rabbit.